Alright guys, today I want to do a full unboxing review and setup of my new car seat covers for a Tacoma truck. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending this out for review, so let's go and take a look at them. Currently I don't have any covers on them, so this should help. So this is the material right here. This is the back side. They also come with the headrest as well. They should be fairly easy to put on. So let's go ahead and actually go to the truck and put them on. All right, and here's what the seat covers look like once they are installed. The installation first couldn't be any easier. These covers are designed to slide right into place without any tools or actual professional help. Even if it's your first time installing these seat covers, the process is very quick and simple. And if you need a little extra guidance right step by step, there is an installation video to help you walk you through it. Another key point is the safety on these. These safety covers are fully compatible with your Tacoma's side airbag, so you're not sacrificing any safety features for style or protection. They're also designed to work perfectly with either seat belts and seat adjustments, so nothing about your trunk's functionality is compromised. Now let's talk about the design. These seat covers are custom made specifically for third generation Tacomas from 2016 to 2023. These covers are not one size fits all though. They are designed to fit perfectly around your seats, including the headrest for a clean, seamless look. The material is made of a durable faux leather. It's not only stylish but also built to handle real world use. These covers are waterproof, so spills, rain, or muddy adventures won't ruin these seat covers. If you've got pets, kids, or busy outdoor lifestyle, these are a game changer. Cleanup is as simple as just wiping them down with a cloth, no special treatment needed or products needed. The headrest covers are included, which is a nice touch because it completes the entire look. Everything is uniform with no awkward gaps or mismatched materials. This detail really ties the interior together, making the truck feel more redefined without losing its rugged character. So whether you're using your Tacoma for work, off-road adventures, or just everyday driving, these covers are built to handle it all. They don't just protect your seats though, they give your truck a fresh, stylish, upgrade look that feels and looks amazing every time you get in. So if you guys are looking for some new seat covers for your Tacoma truck, definitely look into these. I'm gonna leave that link down below so you can get yours. Highly recommend.